Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Mga kamagsisbang Dwantro Fam starring Bebe!
Bebe!
Bebe! Nandito kami ngayon sa Coffs Harbour, New South Wales, Australia. Kasama namin sina Daniel and Brooke. Hello! Nitro. Sa dati niyang buhay, Sirena siya. Sireno. Siyokoy talaga. Siyokoy ka pala eh.
Siyokoy na pala ka pa.
Mahilig si Nitro sa beach. Mahilig si Nitro dito sa dagat, di ba? Tuwing pumunta kami dito sa beach, mahilig siya sa buhangin at sa tubig. Di ba, Nitro? Yes, kumakain pa siya ng buhangin. Hey, naughty boy, you're not allowed to eat that. No. Ayan guys, so chill muna kami dito. Samahan mo kami dito sa beach.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
It's coming!
Uh-oh.
Nagkahulog ako! Nabasa ako! Uy, gusto niya ako po!
It's alright, leave his feet in the water, he's alright. Fun, Nitro? Yeah, fun? He wants to sit down.
Yeah, he wants to sit down.
Hello, Mommy Shanta and Baby Nitro. Baby Nitro. Hey, you're at the beach again. Hey, yeah? You playing with the sand? Woohoo! Buhangin pa more. Hey, and there's Brooke. Hello, Brooke.
Hello, Dwaine.
We're on the beach at Coffs Harbour. I don't know if you can hear me kasi malakas ang hangin dito. Pero ito ang beach ng Coffs Harbour. Pumunta kami dito dati noong 2018. Kami ni Shanta. Wala pa si Baby Nitro. Baby Nitro's playing in the sand. Just let him crawl, son. Let him crawl around the sand.
Eating sand.
Oh, you're crawling in the sand, boy. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! The tango! Yeah, boy!
Are you gonna get the sand on your pot?
He's alright. He's alright. Take off his clothes, let him play in the sand. Ganda. So, magsiswimming lang kami. Chillax kami. Nasa vacation kami. Babalik ka na sa dagat, Nitro? Ano, babalik ka na sa dagat? Bebe, ha? Uy.
No, wait, because it's stone is under.
You collect the stones. There na.
Darna! Stop! Stop getting all the stones. You might eat them. You might choke.
Oh, he's excited. He's excited. Kalishan, kanihe didi.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Onto Diggers Beach Road towards Arnica Beach Resort.
So,
He'll explain
the
it.
handle, you push it all the way forward to go,
Yep.
and you pull it back a little bit to slow down, and then all the way back to stop. Okay? When you get to the hill, you start going up the hill, make sure you pull it all the way back, and then once you reach the top, push it forward to start.
Yep.
There's no drops.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no drops.
So pull back, going up.
Up the hill.
All the way.
All the way back.
Nagkabahan si Shanta.
So just all the way down just around this corner, and then once you reach the hill, then put the brakes on. Okay? So
Go,
just all the way
Shanda.
forward.
Go.
That's it.
Oh, okay.
The brakes won't work just yet.
Oh, okay. Pull it back.
Ah.
All right. Yep.
Just all the way forward.
All the way
Right
forward.
down, that's it.
All right. Go. Okay, here we go, Shanta. Alrighty. Ito po yung Tabogan ride ng The Big Banana dito. Big Banana dito sa Kosabar. Ayun o, daming saging o. Tingnan nyo. Daming saging dito. Kaya Big Banana ang tawag. Ngala si Shanta. Doon. Alaka, Shanta. Alaka. Grabe no, ang taas. Ang taas eh. Sobrang taas. Eto na. Alright, Shanta. Go forward. Okay, eto na guys. Umaakyat na. Umaakyat na tayo. Ay, grabe. Okay, eto na. Alright, stick forward. Here we go. Stick forward. Tara na. Sige na. Oh. Woo! Woo! Oh, oh, oh. Forward. Go for push forward. Oh, go forward. Come on. Oh, Shanta, why did you pull the brakes on? You're supposed to hold it down forward. Nakakainis. Stop. You ruined my ride. Forward. Go forward. All right. Brake, Shanta, brake. Pull back! Pull back! Pull back! Pull back! Pull back! Alright, forward, 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 forward! Nakakainis to. Whoa, 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 whoa! Forward, 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 forward! Nakakainis to. Ano ba naman yan? Ano ba naman yan? Ang papabebe ako. Oh, kaloka. Dapat full speed na lang para masaya. Ikaw, nag-stop ka sa gitna ng ride. Nag-stop si Shanta, nakakainis. As in, nakakalokang bata ito. She stopped in the middle of the ride.
That's it. So stop off to your left.
Shanta, kumusta ang Tabogan ride?
Kakatakot. Alam niyo, biglang gumano. Inantay ako ni Bebe Nitro. Inantay mo si Mami, Bebe, ha? Yantay Mami, ano? You antay Mami, ha?
Look at this
Yantay
dude.
Mami? Yes, you did. So scary, Bebe. It's so scary. It is so scary. Mommy's so scared.
Okay, Dwantro Fam, isa sa mga pwedeng gawin dito sa kasama is the butterfly house. So, yan yung pupuntahan natin ngayon. Kasama natin si Bebe Nitro. Hello, Bebe. Uy, Bebe Nitro. Hey, Bebe. Bebe Nitro. Nitro. Hey, hey, hey. Nitro. Uy, what are you looking at? Mami Shanta. Shanta, anong dinadala mo? Son, let's go see the butterflies. Oh, hello, baby. You're in the butterfly park. You're in the butterfly park. Here we go. Oh, butterflies. Oh, wow.
It's going up.
It's a butterfly. Yoo-hoo.
Oh, it's hot, yeah.
Yeah, it is hot. Wow. Ang daming butterfly. Grabe. Ang ganda, no? Daming butterfly. Ito. Daming mga alibangbang dito. Alibangbang is butterfly, but
That's Woolley.
alibangbang, yes. No, it's Tagalog. Alibangbang.
Paru-paru is Tagalog.
Oh, look, it's a butterfly. These old ladies. Ganda, no? And Troy, you want to touch the plants, huh? No, you just want to rip your tag off, don't you? May alibangbang dito. Yes, we're good. It means there's a butterfly here. Oh, what are they, Nitro? You see all the alibangbang? The butterflies? The paru-paru? No? Ang dami, no? Yes, dami mga butterfly. Ano, Bebe? Yeah, ang dami. Pumunta sa'yo ang butterfly kanina. Ano? Nitro. Hey.
Then you have a few that come out
Bago
every
pa lang isinilang. Bago pa lang isinilang, no? Grabe.
So we collect. So this morning I've just gone and collected
Bago pa lang
caterpillars
lumabas sa
or
cocoon.
eggs that are eggs, and there's baby caterpillars. There's a tiny, tiny one there. Wow. So we collect them as caterpillars. Then we feed them up fresh leaves every day.
Oh, there's a butterfly there, Nitro. Look, there's a butterfly.
I would like to get one of those butterflies.
Sorry.
Those butterflies go to...
Woo!
Come over here.
The butterfly. Woo! Nakita mo ba? Huh? Baby, nakita mo ba? There he is. Ngayon naman, papasok po tayo sa maze. Ayan, isang maze to. Alright, let's do this. Alright, let's go, Baby Nitro. Oh, are you excited for the maze, baby? Are you excited for the maze, huh? Yes. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ooh, welcome to Wonderland. Let's go, Shanta. Shanta. Tara na. Ooh. Let's go. Kaso matangkad ako. Pwede ako tumingin para makita kung saan ang daan. Okay, let's go.
Alright, which way?
Corey figured it out. I got one say.
You figured it out?
Yes.
I think I have too, because I peeked over the edge.
Way. You did too.
Kapiliin mo si Nitro.
Nitro!
Oh, Nitro's talking, so you have to put...
Nitro! Nitro, which way? Which way, Nitro? Huh?
Which way?
You choose.
He was talking, but he's not.
Nowhere. It says nowhere. Well, let's go this way. Maybe this leads nowhere. Come on, baby Nitro. This way. Ooh. Oh, where does this go? Danger, do not enter. Oh, we hit a dead end. Mali. Mali. Mali.
Shanta.
Alright, Shanta. You lead the way, Shanta.
The leader.
Okay, dito tayo dadaan. This way daw.
I think it's not that.
Mali. Mali na naman. Ini ba naman yan? Ini ba naman yan? Is he sleepy?
That's the rabbit.
Ooh.
Yeah, he's going to put himself to sleep.
Which way, huh? Which way? We're gonna get down this way?
Go.
Let's go.
Okay, he's talking.
Bebe, let's go. Let's go.
From the flowers.
Oh, may bulaklak. May mga bulaklak. No. You must be masochist to be in here. Alright, Dwantro Fam, maraming salamat sa panonood sa vlog na to. Alright, bago natin tatapusin, shoutout pa natin ang mga Golden Dwantro Fam natin. Alright, we have Zitrofeld, Roman Ibanez Vlog, Da Ramis, Kicks Sticks, Shane Ransborg, Kiko Arps, Swiss Humanity, Tradex General Trading, Regina Cielis Art Shop, Conchita Dokot, Jolie Inocencio, Nisi Cho, Pinay for Life, the Filipino Fam, the Scully Fam in Brisbane, the Aussie and his wife, the Ramsey family, DXMT, Haley and Ashley sisters, Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Nati Bontien, Tosca Acorda, and Jocelyn Natividad. Salamat po sa panonood sa vlog na to at kita-kits po sa sunod na video ng Dwantro. Okay guys, bye for now. Bye Mami Shanta and Baby Nitro. Bye-bye.
Sulo na yung tiyan niya.
I'll be closer than your shadows, closer than you know. If you let me love you. Love you. Love you.
Yeah, just like the moon in the night sky. Your loving is surreal, baby, let's fly. Through eternity, go wherever, wherever. You and I through whatever weather.
You're hotter than the sunshine in Manila, and what I have for you is forever. Siempre te querré, mi amor. You'll be the only one I adore.